Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to fulfill a request made by one of you, which is to create a small tutorial where I show how I choose and create the designs for my covers on Cricut Design Space. The process is really simple. I search for vector images on Pinterest. In this case, I'm choosing the frame I used for the last trilogy I bound. I go to a background removal website to get an image as perfect as possible. At this point, you just need to upload the new image to Design Space, adjust the size as desired, and then it will be ready to cut. Now I'll show you the same process with another random vector image. This one, for example, I could use as a stencil to paint the edges of the book. Of course, you can upload the image directly to Design Space and remove the background there, but it's not very precise. That's why I prefer to remove it before uploading the image to the program. And there you go. I hope this little demonstration was helpful to you. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon in a new video.